Hi students, we have a question number 7. This is from objective 1 of H.C. VERMA Concepts of Physics first book and chapter 3rd. A person standing near the edge of the top of a building throws two balls, A and B. The ball A is thrown vertically upward and B is thrown vertically downward with the same speed. The ball A hits the ground with a velocity v sub A and the ball B hits the ground with a speed v sub B. Now we have these options given and we need to find which one is the correct option. Okay, now let us start with drawing a building. So this is the building and this would be the surface, the ground. Now at the edge, this guy is standing here and this guy has two balls, ball A and ball B, and one ball is thrown upward and the other ball is thrown downward. And the initial velocity initial speed for both the balls is same. So let's take this initial velocity as u. So students, when the ball is one ball which is thrown upward, it reaches a certain height and there it becomes stationary. So it won't move for a fraction of a second. It will be at rest and then again it will start falling down. And throughout this motion, an acceleration will work, which is acceleration due to gravity, which is always downward towards the center of the earth. So when the ball reaches at the summit point, the top point, that time the final velocity of this chunk from here to here, that final velocity will reach 0, or we can say the speed is 0 here. Again it will start falling down and by the time it reaches the top of the building, again this ball will attain same velocity, which is u, and from here it will start falling further and it reaches ground. So at this point, at the level of the top of the building, both the ball will have same speed, which is u, and in the same direction also, and acceleration due to gravity will be g for both the balls. So because g is universal, so one property is common. Then we have g, that is also common. Then we have this, suppose height of the building is h, so that is also common. So using the formula v square minus u square is equal to 2gs, if we will use this formula, then we see that v is equal to, or like we can write in further steps, that v square is equal to u square plus 2gs. This minus u square will go on the right hand side and then it will be plus u square plus 2gs, and v is equal to under root u square plus 2gs. S is the height, this s is h, already we have defined it as h, so that will be u square plus 2gh. Now let's see, h is constant, it is not changing, g is not changing, and u square will also not change because for both the balls initial velocity u is same and it is in the same direction. So actually these values will be same for both the balls. So VA is equal to VB sub B. So we have option C here. So this is the correct option. So thank you. We'll meet in the next question.